Good morning students, my English book. Today we are going to learn grammar topic similar words. Topic name similar words. Similar words means समानार्थी शब्द. ADD add, JOIN join. Add means join. ANSWER answer. REPLY reply. Answer means reply. ARRIVE arrive. COME come. Arrive means come. BEGIN begin. START start. Begin means start. CHIEF chief. LED lead. Chief means lead. Next verse. ACTION action. MOVEMENT movement. Action means movement. ADVANTAGE advantage. PROFIT profit. Advantage means profit. CHANGE change. ALTER alter. Change means alter. CENTURY century. HUNDRED 100. Century means 100. CHOOC choose. SELECT select. Choose means select. BELLY belly. STOMACH stomach. Belly means stomach. CATEGORY category. TYPE type. Category means type. CLOSE close. SHUT shirt. Close means shirt. CONDUCT conduct. GUIDE guide. Conduct means guide. CHOICE choice. SELECTION selection. Choice means selection. CONTROL control. CHECK check. Control means check. GET get. OBTAIN obtain. Get means obtain. DECISION decision. FIRM NESS furnace. Decision means furnace. GAME game. SPORT sport. Game means sport. DEED deed. ACT act. Deed means act. FREEDOM freedom. LIBERTY liberty. Freedom means liberty. CORRECT correct. RIGHT right. Correct means right. FOLK pop. POPLE people. Pop means people. FOE foe. ENEMY enemy. Foe means enemy. FOOL fool. SILLY silly. Fool means silly. DESIGN design. PLAN plan. Design means plan. FIND find. OBTAIN obtain. Find means obtain. DESTINY destiny. FATE fate. Destiny means fate. DESIRE desire. WILL will. Desire means will. FAITH faith. TRUST trust. Faith means trust. DOOR door. ENTRANCE entrance. Door means entrance. GIFT gift. present, present. Gift means present. happiness, happiness. pleasure, pleasure. Happiness means pleasure. hear, hear. listen, hear means listen. harm, hurt, harm means hurt. mail, mail. post, mail means post. place, place. locality, locality. Place means locality. let, allow. Let means allow. suggest. indicate. Suggest means indicate. lord, lord. master, master. Lord means master. KNOW, knowledge. INFORMATION, information. Knowledge means information. JOURNEY, journey. TRAVEL, travel. Journey means travel. LACK, lack. NWD, need. Lack means need. LEAVE, live. PSIT, exit. Live means exit. IMMEDI, ATLY, immediately. Immediately means at once. ATONCE, at once. HELP, help. AID, aid. Help means aid. LAND, land. ARRIVE, arrive. Land means arrive. LEAP, leap. JUMP, jump. Leap means jump. IDEA, idea. PLAN, plan. Idea means plan. HEAT, heat. FIRE, fire. Heat means fire. LABOR, labor. WORK, work. Labor means work. IMPORTANCE, importance. SIGNIFICANCE, significance. Importance means significance. JUNGLE, jungle. WOOD, wood. Jungle means wood. IMAGINE, imagine. THINK, think. Imagine means think. HIT, hit. STRIKE, strike. Hit means strike. HASTE, haste. HURRY, hurry. Haste means hurry. LOAD, load. BURDEN, burden. Load means burden. QUIET, quiet. SILENCE, silence. Quiet means silence. QUARREL, quarrel. FIGHT, fight. Quarrel means fight. QUANTITY, quantity. AMOUNT, amount. Quantity means amount. QUALITY, quality. MERIT, merit. Quality means merit. PRODUCE, produce. SHOW, show. Produce means show. PRICE, price. COST, cost. Price means cost. PREY, pray. PICTIM, victim. Pray means victim. PROTECTION, protection. DEFENSE, defense. Protection means defense. SPORT, sport. PLAY, play. Sport means play. FORM, form. PRE, prepare. Form means prepare. MANAGE, manage. HANDLE, handle. Manage means handle. MANNER, manner. STYLE, style. Manner means style. PAUSE, pause. WAIT, wait. Pause means wait. OFFER, offer. PROPOSE, propose. Offer means propose. MISERY, misery. SADNESS, sadness. Misery means sadness. WAIT, wait. PAUSE, pause. Wait means pause. FORGIVE, forgive. PARDON, forgive means pardon. COLLECT, collect. MUSTER, master. Muster. Collect means muster. PACKAGE, package. PARCEL, parcel. Package means parcel. NATIVE, native. ORIGINAL, original. Native means original. NWD, need. NECESSITY, necessity. Need means necessity. NAP, nap. SHORT, SLEET, nap means short sleep. HEAVEN, heaven. PARADISE, paradise. Heaven means paradise. OFFER, offer. PROPOSE, propose. Offer means propose. NATION, nation. COUNTRY, country. Nation means country. FOOD, food. REFRESHMENT, refreshment. Food means refreshment. REMOVE, remove. WITHDRAW, withdraw. Remove means withdraw. ROAM, roam. WANDER, wonder. Roam means wonder. SCHEME, scheme. PLAN, plan. Scheme means plan. SIGN, sign. SYMBOL, symbol. Sign means symbol. TALE, tale. STORY, story. Tale means story. TITLE, title. HEADING, title means heading. LEARN, learn. UNDERSTAND, learn means understand. USELESS, useless. FRUIT, LESS, fruitless. Useless means fruitless. SPEAK, speak. UTTER, utter. Speak means utter. FALLEY, fairly. FALE, fail. FIEW, few. SIGST, sight. Few means sight. PROFESSION, profession. POCATION, vocation. Profession means vocation. TUCK, tuck. FOLD, fold. GATHER, gather. COLLECT, collect. Gather means collect. PAGE, page. SHEET, sheet. Page means sheet. FOOL, fool. IDIOT, idiot. Fool means idiot. FAST, fast. QUICK, quick. Fast means quick. END, end. FINISH, finish. End means finish. blend, blend, mix, mix, blend means mix, admit, admit, confess, confess, admit means confess, fun, enjoy, ment, enjoyment, fun means enjoyment, kind, kind, ful, kind means helpful, big, big, large, large, big means large. CHANCE, chance, OPPORTUNITY, opportunity, chance means opportunity, REJECT, reject, DENY, deny, reject means deny, SLIM, slim, THIN, thin, slim means thin, CENTR, center, MIDDLE, middle, center means middle, DELICIOUS, delicious, YUMMY, yummy, delicious means yummy. UNFOR, TUNATE, unfortunate, UNLUCKY, unlucky, unfortunate means unlucky, EXCELLENT, excellent, GOOD, good, excellent means good, WANT, want, DESIRE, desire, want means desire, TAXI, taxi, CAB, cab, taxi means cab, TINY, tiny, SMALL, small, tiny means small. REST, rest, RELAX, relax, rest means relax, RICH, reach, WEALTHY, wealthy, rich means wealthy, SAD, sad, UNHAPPY, unhappy, sad means unhappy, OLD, old, ANCIENT, ancient, old means ancient, SMART, smart, CLEVER, clever, smart means clever. NIGST, night, DARK, dark, night means dark, ALIKE, alike, SAME, same, alike means same, AWFUL, awful, TERRIBLE, terrible, awful means terrible, PATH, path, WAY, way, path means way, FAST, fast, QUICK, quick, fast means quick. NEAT, neat, TIDY, tidy, neat means tidy, ROUND, round, CIRCLE, circle, round means circle, TRAIN, train, RAILWAY, railway, train means railway, HOUSE, house, HOME, home, house means home, MAN, man, HUMAN, human, man means human. COLD, cold, COOL, cool, cold means cool, FOOD, food, MEAL, meal, food means meal, MOUSE, mouse, RAT, rat, mouse means rat, DOG, dog, PUPPY, puppy, dog means puppy, LAST, last, END, end, last means end. DOT, dot, POI, DOT dot. POINT point. Dot means point. SOILED soil. DIRTY soiled means dirty. UNTIDY untidy. DISORDERLY untidy means disorderly. VICTORY victory. WIN win. Victory means win. QUICK quick. HURRY hurry. Quick means hurry. CHARM charm. BEAUTY beauty. Charm means beauty. FOLLOW follow. COPY copy. Follow means copy. EXCITE excite. THRILL thrill. Excite means thrill. SHARP sharp. POINTED pointed. Sharp means pointed. GENTLE gentle. MILD mild. Gentle means mild. ARRIVE arrive. RICH reach. Arrive means reach. HEAR hear. LISTEN listen. Hear means listen. DARK dark. BLACK black. Dark means black. HOLD hold. GRIP grip. Hold means grip. DESTROY destroy. DAMAGE damage. Destroy means damage. CUNNING cunning. TRICKY tricky. Cunning means tricky. QUESTION question. QUERY query. Question means query. REGULAR regular. COMMON common. Regular means common. HOP hop. JUMP jump. Hop means jump. FOREST forest. JUNGLE jungle. Forest means jungle. UP up. ABOV above. Up means above. TALL tall. LONG long. Tall means long. EARN arm. GAIN gain. Arm means gain. CREATE create. MATE make. Create means make. TALK talk. SPEAK speak. Talk means speak. ALONE alone. LONELY lonely. Alone means lonely. DIFFICULT difficult. TOUGH tough. Difficult means tough. ANGRY angry. FURIOUS furious. Angry means furious. RESPONSE response. REPLY reply. Response means reply. EXIT exit. LEAVE leave. Exit means leave. DISCOUNT discount. RUDCTION reduction. Discount means reduction. KILL kill. MURDER murder. Kill means murder. WICKED weak. EVIL evil. Weak means evil. BABY baby. INFANT infant. Baby means infant. ATTIRE attire. DRESS dress. Attire means dress. CRY, cry. SOB, sob. Cry means sob. CHANGE, change. TRANSFORM, transform. Change means transform. CONFUSE, confuse. MIXC, mix up. Confuse means mix up. CERTAIN, certain. SURE, sure. Certain means sure. DESCRIBE, describe. NARRATE, narrate. Describe means narrate. EAGR, eager. KEEN, keen. Eager means keen. EXPLAIN, explain. CLARIFY, clarify. Explain means clarify. EVIL, evil. BAD, bad. Evil means bad. EXTRA, extra. ADDITIONAL, extra means additional. FALSE, false. FAKE, fake. False means fake. FEAR, fear. FRIGHT, fright. Fear means fright. FAMOUS, famous. WELL, well. KNOWN, known. Famous means well known. RAPID, rapid. FAST, fast. Rapid means fast. FLY, fly. SOAR, soar. Fly means soar. GARBAGE, garbage. RUBBISH, rubbish. Garbage means rubbish. SATISFIED, satisfied. PLEACD, please. Satisfied means please. HIDE, hide. COVER, cover. Hide means cover. INJURE, injure. DAMAGE, damage. Injure means damage. HANDSOME, handsome. GOOD, good. LOOKING, looking. Handsome means good looking. HATE, hate. DISLIKE, dislike. Hate means dislike. HARD, hard. DIFFICULT, difficult. Hard means difficult. VITAL, vital. IMPORTANT, important. Vital means important. IMPACT, impact. AFFECT, effect. Impact means effect. INNOCENT, innocent. HARMLESS, harmless. Innocent means harmless. INTEND, intent. MEAN, mean. Intent means mean.